Hello folks, welcome to Yardy Belly's Kitchen. Today I have this what you call what name? Veggetti something. It's a spiral vegetable cutter that I want to show you all today. And I get this for $11, you can see. You know, I've just bought it, but the end result is that you get spiral vegetables out of it.
Vegetable spaghetti.
Vegetables pasta, right? And so I'm gonna be just doing a little bit to demonstrate, do a little demonstration for you all. See, Veggetti, something like so. But the idea is pasta with vegetable. So watch what I do. All right, so we open the container, and this is a little booklet that is in it, and it has gourmet recipe guide, just some instructions as to how to use the machine, you know, detailing detailing all the different thumb spin, you know, and and instructions again, you know how you want to prepare your food, if you want it boiled, raw, saute,
Recipes.
And then it has recipe, different sauces that you can use when you're making your vegetable
Oh my
pasta.
god, can you imagine pesto on one of them?
Oh my god, it's just so fine. Oh my god.
Chinese.
Oh my god.
Asian stir fry.
Asian stir fry, and just a limited amount of ingredients. Again, anything that you can use with pasta that you can use with the machine. And here is the machine. Let me see. Yes, this is how it looks, folks. It has it's round, and it has that. This is the handle. You basically hold it. You insert your machine, your vegetable through this, one of two areas, because you have this part says thick and down this part says thin. And then you take this off, and you access it. So basically what this is used to grip the vegetable. You use this to grip, so that when the vegetable reach close down to inside, scrape your hand upon the nail them. A nail?
Yeah, can grip.
A nail?
What grip? No.
The jokey something inside here. Or the cutting blade. Yeah, let me just speak it properly. All right, so here we're going to start by trying it out today for you. Hallelujah. Okay, so here we have the wife doing some carrots in the machine something. And as you can see, the gadget. In the gadget in something. And as you can see, it's nice.
Very easy to use. Oh my gosh.
And remember, no make your hand go down in the blade part.
Healthy eating has never been this good.
Hallelujah.
And this cheese.
The carrot look like it a workout in a spiral.
Can you imagine how much carrots you get from one carrot?
Yeah, one carrot. Duh. Right, Joshua? And one carrot you get from one carrot.
How about spaghetti? Let me see if this thing works. Well, maybe it's too early.
You can put it on it and see.
Because I'm scared right now. I'm scared.
So it's not hard in terms of how it
easy, but it's just that I'm kind of. Well, maybe you have to wait till it got on more.
Okay.
Yeah.
What my life will make it so far.
Yeah.
All right. So here we're doing the cucumbers. Cucumber, and as you can see, turn out fairly well. Only thing we may have a problem with is when you reach down to the end. Let me see and see. Bring your hand down a little bit closer. Yeah, when you reach that side, the little something where them use to hold the food to turn it down there, it not hold certain things. So it is unholdable. So that means we are left with like
that much carrot.
Piece of carrot left.
You can't eat it.
And It's not supposed to really.
Oh, see it here now.
Do the video and talk.
See it here now.
Oh, this is spinning. It work. Ish. But there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. A nice little thing for start up our healthy eating journey. Yeah, task though. All you need now with this is some pasta something. Or some salad dressing. And you're good to go. Big food. You got dress it up and show them? Oh, see that. This is the end of it then.
It's not some meat. This is not
She said she's not dressing it, ladies and gentlemen. She's not dressing it for no. She don't like no. She's not dressing it for no.
This is just to show how you use a machine. This is really not a recipe.
Hey, it's called Veggetti. And try it now. Only $11 in Adidas. I know I forgot the cheap place. Bye.
Adidas, right?
Adidas. What's here? Bye. So this is our finished salad. Look nice, don't it?
Yeah.
But yeah, black delight. And we added some lettuce in there and stuff. And the wifey also used it to what you call it? Spiral some frankfurters. You know, and fry them crispy to put on the top. We have eggs and avocado. That no to see that, you know, but a regular spring or what you call it, garden salad. But look at how it make it nice and look good and so. See? And here it goes all over. Woo! No man, it just make it interesting, ladies and gentlemen. You know, make your salad not look boring, you know? And make the thing look nice also. It look very foreignish. See there? Watch it. And you just top it with your little spaghetti.
Spaghetti?
Oh, sitting. It look good, man.
Sausage topping, and you put your eggs and your avocado.
And you do your dressing, right?
Yeah.
And see there, your salad is gone, a lid.
24/7 them can't touch
try
it.
the thing.
Speed.
Make the thing set up in our house and make the thing look good and stuff. That's your Veggetti pasta maker. Pass it, let me show them one more time.
No, the people don't see it already.
Let me see it and show them. I need to show them I'm a friend.
Oh.
Them is my friend. See it here? Yeah? I'm gonna get one. Put it now on the kitchen. And it make the spiral something like that. It is very spirally.